So subject verb agreement, guys. Before starting this topic, I would like to ask from you guys, is there any ideas coming into your mind after listening this topic, subject verb agreement?
Ma'am, what subject verb agreement?
Yes. Any ideas
No.
coming? Why we are going to discuss this topic? And what is the need of this? Okay, guys. So have we already discussed in day number 2 or day number 3 verb agreement? Or we can say the verb partnership, or we can say the verb friendship. We already discussed this topic earlier. Yes. What does it
Yes.
mean? What does it mean? वर्ब फ्रेंडशिप हमने डिस्कस करा था, वर्ब पार्टनरशिप हमने डिस्कस करा था. What does it mean?
It's a phrase of verb and subject. Like
No, verb partnership means, dear students, कि there is a friendship between the two verbs.
two
If there
verbs.
is a right friendship, if there is a right friendship between the two verbs, sentence should be right. If there is wrong friendship, sentence would be wrong. That we discuss the verb partnership. Today we are going to discuss the subject verb partnership. So it means that you need to check there is a friendship between the subject and the verb. If there is a right agreement between the subject and the verb, it means your sentence is correct. And if there is no friendship, no agreement between the subject and the verb, it means your sentence is incorrect.
Wrong.
Clear? And it is very, very, very important. So shall I start?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. थोड़ा सा little bit linger long होगा because I have made some assignments also. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, guys, I really appreciate if you ready with your diary and the pen because there are so many rules. Today we are going to discuss so many rules. So the subject verb agreement, as you already know, the subject verb agreement means that there should be an agreement between the subject and the verb. Subject you know, verb you know. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the rule. Guys, rule number 1 क्या है? If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. What is rule number 2? If the subject is plural, the verb is plural. अगर subject singular है, verb भी singular है. Subject plural है, verb भी plural है. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by verb is singular? What does it mean, verb is singular?
Means third person he, she is.
How to identify whether it is a singular verb or not?
So if there is a third person singular, then we put s
Yes.
with subject.
Yeah. Please write down. Singular verb means that ends with letter S. देखो guys, simple है. Singular जो word है, that has been started from which letter? Singular word has been started from which letter?
Which letter?
कौन से letter से start होता है singular word?
S.
S से start होता है ना singular.
Oh.
Singular word starts with letter S. तो उसके साथ verbs भी कौन सी आएगी जो letter S से ends होंगी.
Okay.
Okay, just to keep into your mind, nothing else. So subject singular है, verb singular है, subject plural है, तो verb plural है. Like for example, these are all the singular subjects. I, he, she, it, Raj, cat, doctor, teacher, student. जो एक. We are talking about one. So that is a singular subject. जब हम एक से ज्यादा की बात करते हैं, so that it becomes a plural subject. Okay, that we already know this thing. सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ वर्ब कौन सा आता है? लेटर एस, सी, all these verbs except M, all these verbs ends with letter S. Is हो गया, writes हो गया, does हो गया, has हो गया, all these verbs ends with letter S. And plural?
Are were present.
ठीक है, प्लूरल आर वर और ऑल द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, ये सारा हमारा हो गया प्लूरल वर्ब्स दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो। ठीक है, तो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट कम्स विद द सिंगुलर वर्ब, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट कम्स विद द प्लूरल वर्ब। ही राइट्स अ पोम। व्हाट इज अ वर्ब, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस?
He
He.
के साथ कौन सा वर्ब आया है?
Right.
writes.
राइट्स। राइट्स इज व्हिच टाइप ऑफ वर्ब?
Singular.
Singular.
ठीक है, तो ही के साथ हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब मींस दैट एंड्स विद लेटर एस।
Yes.
Singular subject, singular verb. Simple. Vinay goes to office. What is the subject?
Vinay.
Which type of subject?
Singular, ma'am.
Singular.
Singular. तो इसलिए इसके साथ verb भी कैसा आया है?
Singular.
Singular verb.
Singular. Butterfly flies high. Butterfly is a singular. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
singular.
Singular verb.
Flies. My laptop malfunctions. My laptop is a
Singular
Singular.
subject.
so that's why the verb is also singular.
Singular.
Rule 2. What does it? The rule 2? Rule 2 means if the subject is plural, the verb is plural. They are riding a bicycle. They is a, what is they?
Plural.
According to the plural subject, verb is coming plural.
Yes, ma'am.
R is coming. Is nahi aayega. Is not coming because there is a plural subject.
Plural.
We are planning to visit Canada. We is
Plural,
Plural.
ma'am.
subject. So that's
R.
why R is coming.
Hmm.
You were traveling to the UK. You is,
Plural.
Plural.
that's why were is coming. Were is coming, not was. Bats fly only during the night. What is bats?
Bats is
Bats are
plural. Yes,
plural,
mentioned.
ma'am.
Plural. So that's why fly is coming. अगर suppose करो यहाँ पर होता bat, B-A-T, bat, then
Flies. Flies.
flies will come. Then flies will come. If the subject of a sentence is singular noun, it takes a singular verb. A visitor has come to see us. Visitor क्या है? Visitor is a singular. So
Singular
that's why
subject.
has is coming.
Hmm.
Kate is always punctual. Kate is the name of a person. It is singular. So that's why
Singular.
is coming. Singular. If the two singular nouns join with and, then the sentence will demand the plural verb. This is very
Plural verb.
nice. If two singular nouns join with and, then the sentence will demand the plural verb. Kate and Simran have gone to home. अब देखो Kate क्या है? It is a singular noun, name of a person है. Simran is also the name of a person. Two singular nouns. If the two singular nouns join with and, so हमारा verb कैसा आएगा? Plural.
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 Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A computer and a printer have been installed.
Hmm.
Don't say a computer and a printer has been installed. No. Computer is a singular, printer is a singular, so that's why it is coming. It is coming as plural verb. It is coming as plural. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next rule. If two singular nouns join with and, but there is each or every before the noun. अगर दो singular nouns join होते हैं and से, but before these singular nouns, if each or every is coming before the nouns, so the verb should be the singular.
Yes. Yes.
Each officer and each manager is invited. Simple sa rule hai, guys. Each and every is coming before the singular nouns and they are joined with and, singular verb is coming. Each player and each coach is responsible for the team success. You cannot say each player and each coach are responsible. Agar suppose karo Smrita, if I'm not using each, then
Ma'am, then officer and manager are.
Are invited. Very good. Then officer and manager are invited. Player,
Ma'am, one officer and each manager.
sorry,
One officer and each manager.
क्या कह रहे हो परशुराम? One?
Officer and each manager.
हाँ तब भी is आएगा. देखो one, each, every. If these words are coming before any singular noun, verb should be singular. Verb should be singular. Clear?
In case some officers, okay, there is one more than one officers and a manager. Then in that case,
Officers and
a manager
a manager is.
is okay.
हाँ, तब ये
Why?
discuss करेंगे कि that the verb is coming according to the nearest subject.
Okay, nearest subject.
Nearest subject.
Yeah.
अभी we are going to
Okay.
discuss.
A
अभी
manager and all officers are invited.
हाँ, right.
Okay, yeah.
लेकिन
Okay.
अभी यहाँ तक clear. अगर each and every is coming, then
Yeah.
singular verb.
Singular is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
If two singular nouns connected with and, then
Ma'am.
plural verb.
Plural.
Plural verb. अगर each और every नहीं लगेगा तो plural verb.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Every teacher and every student has to follow the rules. Every.
Singular.
Singular. Singular.
Hmm.
Guys, if any related pair of the singular nouns join with and, ठीक है? To, what is written? I'm not able to express something about a person, thing, or expression, then the singular verb is used. Like for example, bread and butter is my favorite. Bread and butter is my favorite. Ab guys, now you are thinking, ki ma'am, bread is a singular noun, butter is a singular noun, and we are joining with and. So what the rule is that? The rule is saying that we have to put
Plural.
Singular.
प्लूरल. रूल क्या कहता है? प्लूरल वर्ब. अगर दो सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंड से कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, सो रूल क्या कह रहा था कि वी हैव टू यूज प्लूरल वर्ब. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल इट शुड बी ब्रेड एंड बटर आर माय फेवरेट. बट गाइस, ब्रेड एंड बटर बिकम वन सिंगल एंटिटी. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना कि पहले हम ब्रेड खा लेते हैं और उसके ऊपर मैंने 2-3 स्पून मैंने बटर के खा लिए. वी डोंट ईट दिस वे. We always spread the butter on the bread and it becomes one single entity.
So logic should be considered.
Logic should be considered.
Yeah.
So that's why bread and butter. Like for example, rice and curry is served hot or rice and curry are served hot.
Is.
देखो गाइस, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. हम राइस के अंदर करी डाल के उसको एक सिंगल एंटिटी बना देते हैं. वी आर नॉट ईटिंग लाइक दिस कि मैंने पहले बोल भर के मैंने राइस खा लिया, फिर मैंने बोल भर के करी पी ली. नो.
Means ma'am, chapati and dal is.
चपाती एंड दाल इज. वो
Yes.
एक सिंगल, देखो स्मिता, अगर आप वो
Yes,
इसको एज अ सिंगल एंटिटी बन जाती है, देन यू हैव टू यूज इट सिंगुलर वर्ब.
Okay, ma'am.
Singular verb.
Hmm.
Truth and honesty is the best policy. You cannot say truth and honesty are the best policy. क्योंकि ये एक सिंगल एंटिटी बन जाता है. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Crown and glory is his dream. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Crown
Right.
and glory.
Right.
I think
Right, should be saying right. What about others?
Ma'am,
Right,
right,
sir.
ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. Wrong.
अब देखो क्यों wrong है इसमें.
Why, ma'am? Crown and glory is
Crown
making
and
a
glory.
pair,
Why,
ma'am.
why? See, guys. Crown is different, glory is different.
Oh,
It is not considered as a singular entity.
okay.
Crown, मतलब you know what is the meaning of crown?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Glory means वो जो उसको fame और ये सब मिलता है.
Yes, ma'am. Name and fame, ma'am.
तो
Ma'am,
जरूर
when will have the crown will have automatically
नहीं,
like
Shilpi,
glory.
it is not hard and fast rule कि those person who has won the crown, he will get the glory. ठीक है? This is not compulsory. This is not compulsory. These can be the different entities. Right? जैसे for example,
In different cases, you just
जैसे
are.
example देती हूँ. Have you seen a movie Bahubali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bahubali में who has won the crown?
भल्लाल देव
हाँ भल्लालगढ़, उसको क्या वो ग्लोरी मिली थी जो उसको मिली?
नो मैम।
नहीं मिली थी, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज अ डिफरेंट एंड, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट।
गुरु देव सेना भी नहीं मिली।
So it denotes, so when it denotes the two different things, so we have to take the plural subject. So crown and glory are histories, are histories. Teacher and student work together, right sentence, wrong sentence?
R should be mentioned. No? Teacher and student are work together.
No, teacher and student work together, right sentence, wrong sentence?
wrong.
Why?
No,
मैम
no, correct.
वर्क्स आएगा, सिंगुलर वर्ब आएगा ना।
No, no, the both difference.
मैम
No,
दिस इज
plural.
राइट
टीचर एंड
सेंटेंस।
स्टूडेंट वर्क्स।
Why works? Teacher अलग है, student अलग है ना शिल्पी? Teacher is अलग, teacher is different role, student is different role. Student का काम होता है पढ़ना, teacher का काम होता है पढ़ाना. So they both play the different roles. And if they
Correct.
both plays a different roles and they are joined with and, so the plural verb will come. That's why the work is come
Are.
with the works.
टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट आर।
क्या कह रहे हो स्मिता?
टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट आर मैम।
नहीं आर क्यों लगाओगे ना, प्लूरल
only
वर्ब लगाओ ना.
thing- तो सही है ना
Simple
मैम?
sentence है ना.
तो सिंपल
And I
सेंटेंस
thought they are making like a single, abhi like you have said earlier, single entity.
देखो सिंगल एंटिटी है, जैसे हमारा राइस एंड करी, ब्रेड एंड बटर, दिस इज अ सिंगल एंटिटी. यू कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट. शिल्पी आप सिंपल बताओ डियर, अगर आपको ब्रेड बटर खाना है तो डू वी ईट इन दिस वे कि मैंने पहले 2 ब्रेड खा ली फिर मैंने 2 स्पून भर के बटर खा लिया? डू वी ईट इन दिस वे? नो. We always make one entity. We just spread the butter on the bread and it becomes one entity. But how you can say कि the teacher or the student is one entity? Teacher's role is different, student role is different. So these two are
अगर
the
ये
different
each रहता, each teacher and each students, then works.
works. Then works. Every भी होता तब भी works.
Yeah.
But these two are the different entities. If two, अच्छा सपोज करो मेरे को ये लिखना है रिकॉर्डिंग एंड पीडीएफ मैंने भेज दिए हैं, क्या बनाओगे इसके इंग्लिश जरा बनाओ?
Recording and PDFs are sent.
भेज दिए
Have
हैं.
been sent.
Have been
Have
sent.
been sent
हाँ,
मैम।
recording and PDF have been
Been
sent.
sent. Yeah.
Have
The
been,
plural.
because
Hmm.
recording is different, PDF is different. But you are joining these two things with and. But most of the time, what the mistake we have done, recording and PDF has been sent. But no, recording and PDF have been sent, have been made. Clear?
यस मैम।
Yes.
चलो ये तो करते रहेंगे हम, that is not an important. चलो let's start the next. ये day 2 है, नहीं, ये तो day 1 ही आ रहा है. एक just a moment guys. Next. Now, read this sentence. You as well as your brother was absent yesterday. Now, very important rules, guys. You as well as your brother was absent yesterday. आप और आपका ब्रदर कल एब्सेंट थे. थे हिंदी में क्या लग रहा है, क्या साउंड लग रहा है? Is it a right sentence or a wrong sentence?
Wrong.
I think it's right sentence.
It's a wrong sentence.
वर होगा मैम।
Yes.
It's a wrong sentence.
Ma'am,
देखो,
what?
अब सुनो देखो. I have written, guys. See. I have written the rule also. देखो, इसका रूल क्या है? Subject plus as well as. रूल देख रहे हो ना? black कलर में मैंने लिखा है. Subject plus as well as plus noun और pronoun. ठीक है? उसके बाद आपका singular और plural verb आएगा, but that should be according to the first subject. अगर if
यस मैम आर होगा।
as well as is connected, so उसके बाद जो verb is coming, that should be coming according to the first
Verb.
subject. Like for example, you as well as your brother. What is the first subject in this sentence?
You.
You.
You. So you के साथ कौन सा verb आता है?
Plural,
Was.
ma'am.
Plural
Plural.
verb. Plural. Don't say was verb. शैलेश ऐसे
Yes,
बोलो
plural.
plural verb. Plural verb.
Plural.
So was plural है या were plural है? Were.
Were plural.
Were. So you as well as your brother were absent yesterday.
Okay. अगर ये he या she रहता तो फिर ये सिंगुलर में आ जाता.
अब singular
First.
आता. हाँ.
Okay. He as well as she were
नहीं
absent.
अगर सपोज करो ये होता I as well as your brother.
M. Then M, ma'am.
नहीं अगर सपोज करो पास्ट टेंस ही है. Yesterday
हाँ.
लग गया ना स्मिता.
I was.
Was.
I
तो
was,
was आ
ma'am.
जाता.
Was.
तब was आता.
Was.
तो प्लीज राइट डाउन सिंपल इतना सा लिखो एज वेल एज डैश करके लिखो वर्ब विल कम अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. सिर्फ ये लिखो एज वेल एज डैश verb will come according to the first subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
She together with her friends is visiting. Parshuram, right sentence, wrong sentence? क्या लग रहा है देखने में?
Wrong sentence, ma'am.
Wrong sentence है. चलो.
It's correct.
It's correct sentence.
Is it right sentence?
ठीक है अब देखो. See, same rule will applicable. If together with is coming, if two nouns or pronouns are joined with together with, verb is coming
Singular.
according to the first subject. She and friends, she and her friends, these are the two we can say the noun and pronoun, but if they are joining with together with, so इसके साथ जो verb आएगा that is coming according to the first subject. What is the first subject in this case?
She.
She. So that's
Singular.
why is visiting is coming. Is visiting is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Shailesh, right sentence, wrong sentence?
In addition to his girlfriend was asking question. It's correct.
Yes, very good. Same rule in addition to. In addition to is coming, again we have to follow the first subject. अगर सपोज करो यहाँ पर दे होता, दे in addition
To his girlfriend were asking question.
then were asking questions. Always keep in mind if these phrases are coming in addition to, together with, and what was the first one?
As well as.
As well as. Always we have to follow the first subject.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Smrita, right or wrong?
Subhas Karthik, headed by K.K. Mandal sir, were taking sessions. Ma'am, wrong sentence was.
Wrong. Why? Same.
Ma'am, Subhas
Same
Karthik
rule.
sir is singular, ma'am.
Subhash Karthik, headed by K.K. Mandal sir, was taking sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Was taking. ठीक है वही सेम रूल है फर्स्ट केस अभी तक फर्स्ट केस चल रहा है गाइस.
उसकी सेंटेंस की मीनिंग क्या हुई? हेडेड बाय
मतलब साथ साथ
में.
सुभाष कार्तिक हेडेड बाय के मंडल, मतलब दोनों साथ
हाँ.
हेडेड बाय. ओके.
along with भी वही है along with भी साथ है. either along with or headed by, both are same. Along with, if you are using along with, again the same subject.
Okay, ma'am. Means first subject.
First subject. Very important rule, guys. Sal and me went to the store. Parshuram, is this a right sentence or wrong sentence?
No, wrong sentence, ma'am.
Shilpi, wrong sentence, right sentence?
Ma'am, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Pradeep?
want to say something.
Ma'am, where is verb? Go went. Achha.
Sorry?
went तो है ना?
Went है तो सही verb.
Yes.
It should be shall and I.
Yes, I was thinking the same.
This is a wrong sentence.
Go to the store.
No, why go? एक minute, just stop. guys.
Sal and me went to the store. Then go भी नहीं. Then what? Sal and me.
Shall and I.
Went.
Okay, ma'am, I ना I
I,
me
I.
I होगा.
Shall
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I went to the
I
store.
went to the store. Yes.
ठीक है, this is right. Shall accompanied by her father goes to the school. वो तो ठीक है. अगर accompanied by आया, again we have to check the first
We
subject.
also should not use myself, no?
हाँ, myself no, we cannot use. आप देखो यहाँ पर
Yeah.
जो सबसे important है guys, ये मैंने अलग से एक वो बनाई. देखो, see, very important. देखो, I जो है, it can be acts as a subject pronoun also. It can be acts as a object pronoun also. अगर if I is used as a subject pronoun तो वो I माना जाता है. And if it is considered as an object pronoun तो वो me बन जाता है. Me. अगर आपको बोलना है मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड या मेरा फ्रेंड, चाहे आप हिंदी में कैसे भी बोलो, मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड मूवी जा रहे हैं, कैसे बनाओगे इसकी इंग्लिश? मैं बताऊं,
Me and
मोस्ट ऑफ द
my
टाइम हम
friend
क्या
and
कहते हैं?
Me and my friend.
Ma'am,
नहीं, पता है हम कैसे बनाते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम?
I and
मी
my
एंड
friend.
माय फ्रेंड, मी एंड
Yes.
माय फ्रेंड आर गोइंग फॉर अ मूवी या आर गोइंग टू अ मूवी.
That
But
is
this
wrong.
is wrong. This is wrong.
I ना ma'am I.
Because here we are talking about the subject. कौन जा रहा है मूवी? मैं
मैं.
जा रही हूँ. So मैं क्या बन गई? मैं becomes a subject. So that's why we have to use I. Second mistake which we do, guys, हम I को पहले लगा देते हैं.
अच्छा.
This
My
is
friend
also
and
wrong.
I.
This is also wrong.
Okay.
चाहे हिंदी में आप कैसे भी बोलो, मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड या मेरा फ्रेंड और मैं, but always keep I on the second position. My friend and I are going to the movie. Don't say my friend and I am going for a movie. No. Again, these are the two nouns or the pronouns connected with and, so we have to use a plural. अब सपोज करो आपको आई को एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करना है, सो उसका क्या बन जाएगा? मी. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उन्होंने पार्टी में मुझे और रवि को इनवाइट करा. You cannot say they invited Ravi and I to the party. What you will say? They invited Ravi and me to
Ravi
the
and
Ravi
party.
is ma'am. Ravi is first subject ना ma'am.
नहीं, अब स्मिता, यहाँ पर अब ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं कंसीडर हो रहे हैं. अब ये यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट बन गए हैं, बिकॉज एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ना, ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कमिंग आफ्टर द मेन वर्ब. व्हाट इज द मेन वर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस? इनवाइट.
Invited.
Invited के बाद whatever is coming, that becomes the object.
Hmm.
So in this case, it becomes the object. So that's why you cannot use I here. You have to use me. So they invited Ravi and me to the party. Clear? Concept clear हुआ? Very important concept. अगर
Yes.
as a subject की तरह use करना है, use I. If you have to use as an object, use me. उन्होंने मेरी आंटी ने मुझे और
इस
मेरी
लाइन में
friend को-
सब्जेक्ट क्या हुआ?
किसमें?
दे.
Which?
दे.
They is a subject.
हाँ, दे इज अ सब्जेक्ट.
अच्छा, सपोज सेंटेंस है, मेरी आंटी ने मुझे और मेरी बहन को कुकीज दिए. शिल्पी जरा बनाओ इसका इंग्लिश. मेरी आंटी ने मुझे और मेरी फ्रेंड को कुकीज दिए.
My auntie has given me and my friend. No, my auntie has given cookies to me and my friend.
To me and my friend. Very good. My auntie has given cookies to me and my friend. Don't say to I and my friend. That is wrong. Sentence
Yes.
होता,
ये तभी पॉसिबल है ना कि सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में बदलना, जब वो सेंटेंस पैसिव में हो.
नहीं. Here it is not a passive. कहाँ है passive, शैलेश? There is no passive.
My aunt has
My
given-
aunt has given
okay.
cookies to me and my friend.
Yes.
So this is a simple sentence. यहाँ पर बस
Yes.
उसको ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करा है.
Okay.
अगर
Got it.
सेंटेंस होता, सपोज सेंटेंस होता, मेरे और मेरे फ्रेंड ने आंटी को कुकीज दिए, बनाओ।
Hmm.
My
हाँ,
My friend and me
My
subject
friend
हो
and
जाएगा.
I,
माई फ्रेंड एंड
yes, my
आई,
friend
I,
and I.
हाँ.
my friend and
हाँ
I
हाँ
have given.
हाँ,
Hmm.
कुकीज टू द आंट।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, समझ आया? डिफरेंस समझ
Yes,
आया?
ma'am. जी, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And now which one is correct? The teacher praised Ria and I, right or wrong?
No, wrong.
Wrong.
Everyone, Parshuram, Shilpi,
Teacher
Parneet.
Yes,
praised
ma'am. Wrong.
Ria and
Me.
me.
Ria
You
and
and
me.
me.
The teacher praised Ria and me. क्योंकि praise is a verb, main verb, और main verb के बाद क्या आता है? Object. तो
Object.
object क्या हो गया? Ria and me is an object.
Hmm.
Second sentence. He and me went to the seminar, right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. He
What
and
He
I.
and
Wrong.
I.
He and
He and
I.
I.
He
He
and
and I.
I went to the seminar. So
Hmm.
last, between you and I, this
Right.
plan won't work.
Right.
You and me.
Huh?
Right. Right. You and I.
Between you and me, ma'am.
You and me. देखो guys, see. Between is a preposition. Between is
Yes,
a
ma'am. इसमें
preposition,
me होगा
and
वहाँ पे.
after this preposition, na, always a object pronoun will come.
Hmm.
Always a object pronoun will come. This is a rule. So always between के बाद object pronoun will come. So always say between you and me. Between you and me, this plan won't work. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bored तो नहीं हो रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
नहीं नहीं.
No, no,
But
no.
very important and
It's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
important. Correct.
Important.
Correct.
that's why I have chosen this topic.
Yes, yes.
फिर पता ना मुलाकात होए ना होए, तो मैंने कहा चलो ये वाला टॉपिक I definitely want to take with you guys. चलो start. Okay, next. Not only Imli but also her mother teaches music. So simple है, अगर not only, although it is not frequently using nowadays, but याद रखो, not only, whenever the not only will come, again the same rule will come. We have to follow the subject
Hmm.
first
Hmm.
subject. ठीक है, ये
Okay.
sorry, not only but, अच्छा, not only but also, sorry, my bad. Not only but also, if the two subjects are joined by not only but also, so the verb always follows the nearest subject. So nearest subject क्या है?
Mother.
Her
Mother.
mother.
Mother is the nearest subject. Mother is the nearest subject. Nearest subject किसके हम देखते हैं? But के. But के nearest subject देखते हैं. तो but के हमारा nearest subject क्या है? But also के nearest subject क्या है? Mother. So mother is a singular. So that's why teaches is here. Not only they have proven their talents, but also inspired everyone with their dedication. ये तो खैर past tense में लिखा है, तो it you will not get, क्योंकि past tense में either it is a singular subject or it is a plural subject, V2
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
V2 form होगा. Not only but also. ना ही, not only but also का मतलब होता है ना ही. Not only they have proven their talents, ना ही उन्होंने अपना talents prove करा है, but also inspired everyone, पर उन्होंने सबको inspire भी करा है. चलो next देखते हैं. Neither, very important guys. Neither you, अच्छा, if the two subjects are joined by neither nor, if the two subjects are joined by neither nor, the verb always follows the nearest subject. Neither you nor I are going to see him. It is a wrong. Why it is wrong?
Ma'am, because
I am.
I am होगा.
I am होगा. Very good. Neither nor में जो verb है, verb क्या है? What is the verb in this sentence? Main verb क्या है?
Oh.
Go. So go किसके nearest है? I के nearest है या
I.
you के nearest है?
I.
I के nearest है. Go is nearest to I. So that's why it is coming am. Correct sentence होगा neither you nor I am going to see.
Going to see.
ना ही तुम ना ही मैं, हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं ना ही तुम ना ही मैं उसको देखने जा रहे हैं. Neither you nor I am going to see. neither success nor recognition came by chance. It was earned by efforts and excellence. अगर सपोज करो ये तो मैंने पास्ट में लिख दिया, if it is not a past tense, it is a present, तो क्या आता?
Came by, come by
It is a past tense, so that's why you cannot
Ma'am, it is
identify.
correct, ma'am.
It is correct. It is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
It is correct.
neither success
Neither-
nor recognition is
नहीं, this
coming
is
by
correct sentence.
This
chance.
is correct. This is correct. This is correct. My question is if I will write in the present. अभी ये past
But-
में.
मैं
Ma'am,
प्रेजेंट ही
it
बना
is-
रहा था ना.
It is earned by efforts and excellence.
It is earned. ठीक है, बिल्कुल perfect है. But there is no change in neither success nor recognition.
Come by chance.
Ma'am, comes.
Neither success
Neither
Comes.
nor
success
Comes
nor
आता.
recognition
Comes.
come by
Yes, ma'am,
chance.
comes.
okay.
Comes. Recognition है ना, singular.
Recognition है क्योंकि.
Comes by chance.
Comes by chance.
Yeah.
ठीक है, ये वाला ठीक था. Clear? Neither you nor I am going to see him.
Yes, ma'am.
Neither you nor she is listening to music. Right or wrong?
Correct.
Right, ma'am.
Right.
Right, ma'am.
Why right?
Because
Obviously-
listening is verb and listening is close to see.
Very nice. Because she
Ma'am-
is nearest. She is nearest. So that's why is
Yes,
is come. Is come.
Yes, ma'am.
Either you or me know the truth. Either you, either or. देखो neither और nor का combination चलता है, either और का combination चलता है. Either और का मतलब होता है दोनों में से एक. या तो तुम जानते हो या मैं जानता हूं. Either or. So the same rule I think happens. Either or का क्या होता है? If the two subjects are joined by either or, the verb always follows the nearest subject. Nearest subject क्या है guys इसमें?
Me.
Me, तो nose हो जाएगा मैम.
I.
I. अच्छा.
Either you or I know.
Either you or I ना.
I बन जाएगा क्योंकि see. इसमें subject क्या है? What is a subject? Subject you or I. Me is not a subject. Me is an
It's
object.
object.
तो इसलिए आप इसको क्या करेंगे? You have to convert it into the subject. Either you or I know that. अगर सपोज करो सेंटेंस होता है either you or he,
Knows the truth.
Knows.
तब हो जाता knows. Either you or he. और सपोज करो either you or my friend,
Knows singular
Knows.
verb.
तब भी
Knows,
knows
ma'am.
होता.
Knows.
Because my friend is the nearest. Not she, but her friends are responsible. If the subjects are joined with not but or only not, the verb follows the last subject after but. अगर हमारा not but के साथ आ रहा है, not she, but her friends are responsible. See, तो जो हमारा जो verb है वो follow क्या किसको करेगा? Last subject. Last subject मतलब जो but के बाद आता है.
Friends.
तो her friends. So friends क्या है? It is a singular. तो singular verb is coming. If it is plural, so plural verb is coming.
It's correct.
So it is a correct sentence. Not she, but her friends.
Friends are.
केवल वही नहीं, उसके फ्रेंड्स भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. नॉट शी नॉट, अगर नॉट ये बोथ आर सेम. अगर नॉट आ जाता है या नॉट शी, बोथ आर सेम. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, उसको वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं, बट रूल विल द सेम. शी नॉट बट हर फ्रेंड्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. अच्छा ठीक है, देखो इसमें क्या कह रहा है? अगर she not her friends are responsible, it is a right sentence or wrong sentence?
She not her friends.
Or to her friends, R is right.
Right है मैम.
नहीं, इसमें देखो अगर खाली सिर्फ अब अगर हम not का यूज कर रहे हैं, not का, तो then we have to follow the first subject.
Okay.
फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, वैसे ये यूज नहीं होता, इसको छोड़ दो. ये अब
लॉजिकल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ये. आप तो छोड़ोगे ना.
ऑब्सोलीट हो गया है. ये अब यूज
हाँ.
नहीं होता. अगर खाली नॉट आता है ना, तो वी हैव टू फॉलो द फर्स्ट. ठीक है, इसको अब यूज नहीं करते. चलो अब हम एक क्विज करते हैं। अभी तक रूल सबको याद है?
थोड़ा
Yes,
थोड़ा।
ma'am.
ठीक
थोड़ा
है, कोई
थोड़ा
बात नहीं। देखो, एज वेल है, कौन कौन से करे थे, एक बार हम रिकैपिचुलेट कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा।
As
Okay.
well as
एज वेल
As
एज,
well as
headed
as
by,
well
together
as together,
together
in
with,
addition
neither
to
nor।
addition to, headed by, along with,
हाँ, इन सबके साथ क्या आएगा? यू हैव टू चेक द
ma'am, first,
फर्स्ट
first.
सब्जेक्ट, यू हैव टू
subject.
चेक द
Yes.
फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट।
मेरा क्वेरी रहेगा मैं पूछना।
हाँ
आपने सब पहला था ना ज्वाइंट विथ एंड,
हाँ,
रूलर लेना है। अगर मैं और से ज्वाइंट करूँ तो और,
दोनों में से एक,
तो सिंगुलर हो जाएगा।
तो सिंगुलर, तो सिंगुलर,
ओके।
तो सिंगुलर, दोनों में से एक हो गया ना, वो तो वैसी चॉइस एक
हाँ।
होगी। ठीक है।
Yes, yes,
अच्छा, अगर नीदर नॉर आता है, इफ द नीदर नॉर इज कमिंग, देन
ma'am, nearest
Nearest
subject.
subject.
नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट, नियरेस्ट
Yes.
सब्जेक्ट। ठीक है, नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट टू द मेन वर्ब, मेन वर्ब। अगर इधर और है तो देन
Ma'am, same, ma'am.
सेम, नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट। ठीक है, चलो लेट्स सी। चलो, he as well as you were, it is a right sentence or wrong sentence?
Ma'am, wrong.
It is a wrong sentence. So what should
Yes,
be the
ma'am.
correct sentence?
He as well as you
Was.
was
Was.
He as well as you was present
present.
yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, not only Imli but also her mother teach, right or wrong?
Not only, na, ma'am.
Wrong.
Why?
Teaches
Teaches.
जाएगा।
Teaches.
Teaches होगा, क्योंकि not
Teaches.
only but also में जो but also के साथ जो subject आता है उसको हम consider करें।
Hmm.
So but also के साथ वो subject is coming, her mother. Her mother is a singular.
Yes.
She, in addition to her best friend, were asking questions, right or wrong?
Wrong.
Ma'am, wrong.
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 Question.
Was asking question.
Shilpi, what you are saying, right or wrong?
Wrong.
What should be the correct sentence?
She, in addition to her best friend, was asking questions.
Was asking questions. Yes. Parshuram, neither you
Yes,
nor
ma'am.
he is going to market.
Neither you nor he is correct sentence, ma'am.
Right sentence. Absolutely. Neither you nor he is going to market.
Going to be like it.
ठीक है, nearest subject to the main verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Smrita,
Ma'am. Raj headed by his dad. Ma'am, correct sentence.
right
Wrong.
sentence. क्यों? इसमें
Raj
तो
headed by his dad was
है ना, वो
Was है
headed
ना?
by. If headed by is coming, we have to check the first subject.
First
First subject
subject,
is
okay.
singular, so that's why was is coming.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Shailesh.
She together with her uncle is visiting the wrong. She together.
Right.
Right, ma'am.
This
Right,
is
ma'am.
right
Right.
sentence.
Right. Shailesh, together with
Yes,
है.
yes.
First subject
Yes, yes,
consider करो. First subject क्या है? She. So that's
She,
why
she,
is visiting is right.
Correct.
Yes. Shilpi,
He not his relatives are
He, not his relatives, are invited. Ma'am, right.
wrong.
Ma'am, is होगा.
अच्छा, there is no but.
Is, ma'am,
There
is.
is no
He,
but.
not his
Okay, okay.
relatives.
Got it.
then what should be the correct sentence?
Is.
He
Is.
not his relatives is invited.
Is invited.
Hmm.
Is invited.
Absolute case आ गई.
Next.
Parshuram.
Sheila and her husband are going. No, wrong.
Correct sentence क्या होगा?
Sheila
He is going to market.
Sheila along with her husband is going.
Is going to.
Again, see the first subject. Neither you nor I. Smrita,
Am. Neither you nor I am listening to
am
music.
listening. ठीक है? Nearest subject. Nearest
Yes, ma'am.
subject.
Listening.
Not Raj, but his parents are going.
Right.
Right sentence. He, not his relatives, are invited.
Wrong. Relatives is invited.
Is invited. ठीक है, ये पहले भी आ चुका है. ठीक है. Guys, now this is, I'm giving you 30 seconds time. ठीक है. Now, what is this? This is an article. ठीक है? I appreciate everyone. Parneet, I appreciate if you also do. Now, guys, what you have to do? Please read each and every sentence very carefully. And you have to apply the subject verb agreement. You have to apply all the knowledge of grammar. अभी तक जितना भी हमने knowledge करा है, you have to apply. ठीक है? एक बार करो.
Okay.
Please write, everyone. लिख के तक होंगे तो that would be more beneficial for you.
I have done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Everyone done?
No, ma'am.
Acha, Parneet has done.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't write. I just wrote key points also.
What do you have tried?
Ma'am, should I read the paragraph?
Abhi, just a moment, Parneet. Let everyone
Okay.
finish, then we'll start.
Okay.
You just write down the mistakes. No need to rewrite the whole paragraph.
ऐसा करना है.
So let's start with Parneet. Yes, Parneet. Parneet, just read the first line and let us know what the mistake you have chosen.
Okay. So many working professionals think. This is the mistake that I have chosen.
Many
Many working professionals think.
think, acha, without S.
Yes, professionals.
Professionals. Very good. Many working professionals think. Aage?
That learning English fluently is very difficult. They often afraid of speaking because they have fear of doing mistake.
Ye right
Some
hai?
people,
Okay.
yes, I think this is right sentence.
Okay. Okay.
Some people don't practice regularly. That's why their improvement is slow. Also, they do not focus on pronunciation and vocabulary building. It is important to understand that without consistent practice, no one can become confident speakers. Every professional should
No, I'm not getting
invest.
exactly in which area you are finding the mistake.
Okay, ma'am. Also, they does not enough. So there will become do not.
Acha,
They
they
do
do
not
not.
focus on
Okay, they
pronunciation.
do not focus on pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In next line, mm, every professional should invest
Okay, okay.
time and effort to develop their communication. Yeah.
Okay, done? Okay,
There is one more. No one can become. They become instead of became.
okay. Got it, got it.
Yes.
Okay, Shilpi, what about you? Apart from Paneet mistakes, any mistake?
Ma'am, as some peoples है ना, so there should be some people without s.
Some people, very good. Some people, not
Yes, ma'am.
peoples. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
Paneet? Some people do
Ma'am,
not
ma'am,
practice.
I told this mistake
Paneet,
also,
आपका
but I
voice
think
नहीं
it
आ रहा,
is
Paneet, मेरे को. I'm not getting your voice clearly.
just
Yes,
Now,
हाँ. Any more mistakes?
now I am audible.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
better.
rest are same, like
Rest
Paneet
are
said.
same.
Yes.
Rest are same. Okay.
Invest,
Yes, Shailesh, any mistake?
invest, not invest.
हाँ, invest.
think there
Okay.
is-
Every professional should
And
invest. Why invest?
because every professional, it's a singular. Okay, yeah.
Because should is a modal verb. Should is a modal verb. And
Yes,
according
ma'am.
to the
It's a
modal verb,
investor.
mother verb will come. Should
Yeah,
invest time.
invest should be there.
Ah. Okay. Any other mistake?
मैम efforts के जब effort
Efforts की
Effort.
जगह
effort
should
No,
invest time and efforts. नहीं,
efforts
ये ठीक है.
नहीं तो correct
okay
है वो.
Efforts, ये
okay ma'am.
ठीक है. ये efforts ठीक है. Any other mistake? Done, everyone? Parshuram? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Guys, एक और mistake है.
Ma'am, they had fear of doing mistake.
They have.
Fear of doing mistakes.
So what is the mistake in this?
I think had, ma'am.
No, why had? It is written in the present.
Okay, then ma'am, it is okay, ma'am.
Things that learning.
Then no other mistakes.
But there is one mistake.
Where, ma'am?
Ma'am, I think they often afraid of speaking. I think there is something.
Where, Paneet?
They often afraid of.
They often afraid of speaking. I had a doubt here that it's not correct, but I am not sure.
No, Paneet, this is correct, dear. This is correct. यहाँ पर ये line correct नहीं है. They have fear of doing mistakes. This is incorrect.
Okay.
आप देखो क्या इसमें गलती है, मैं बताती हूँ guys. इसका करेक्ट जो ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट है, दे हैव अ फियर ऑफ मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स. गाइस, मिस्टेक्स जो है वो हमेशा मिस्टेक्स के साथ जो वर्ब यूज होता है ना, वो मेक यूज होता है. मेक, वी आर मेकिंग, जैसे मेक के साथ प्लान. वी कैन नॉट से वी आर डूइंग प्लान्स, वी ऑलवेज से वी आर मेकिंग प्लान्स. ऐसे ही मिस्टेक्स के साथ वी ऑलवेज यूज मेक. So that's why the correct sentence is they have a fear of making mistakes. Ab question is coming, why a? Because guys, see, fear, देखो, mistakes you have that you can count. मतलब you are talking about some specific mistake. You are talking about some specific mistake. Fear of something specific. There are so many types of fear. There are so many types of fear. But यहाँ पर हम किस fear के बात कर रहे हैं? जो हम mistakes करते हैं. उस fear की बात कर रहे हैं. So we are talking about a specific mistake. We are talking about specific fear. So that's why we have to put an article a. They have a fear of making mistakes. Chalo, next paragraph. Okay, मैंने इसको just a record.